Applications of differentiation, solving maxima and minimum problems. At the maximum or the minimum, what we need to know is the derivative of the function will be equal to 0. In this question, a factory produces n items per hour. The overhead costs C is equal to this quadratic function. How many items should be produced to keep the overhead cost to a minimum? So at the minimum, C dash of n is equal to 0. The derivative of the function is equal to 0. So we differentiate this quadratic function. We multiply by the power and reduce the power by 1. The derivative of 400 is 0. We get negative 16 and we get 2n over 4, which can be neatened to n over 2. So negative 16 plus n over 2 is the derivative. And we want to know, well, for what value of n would that be equal to 0? So we let that equal to 0. And then we solve this equation. Adding 16 to both sides and multiplying both sides by 2, we see n is equal to 32. So in the context of the question, we would say 32 items per hour would keep the cost to a minimum.